Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to navigate and verify files and folders in Google Drive using Python code in Colab. So let's go to write course for this under module 1 Colab notebook. Let's, for example, say we wanted to access this Colab notebook, student lecture 2. So I would have to go to Google Drive and open that file, AMOC folder, modules, module 1 and lecture 2. Basic operation template. So this is the Colab notebook that was provided for this lecture. So to be able to access those data files, we would have to first mount our drive and change our directory to the AMOC folder. So let's run this cell to mount the drive. And when we do that, it asks for permission. This portion is not shown in the lecture video, and that's because Google made some changes back in 2021 and further changes in around 2023, basically to prevent multiple users from accessing same Google Drive and for some other security reasons. For that reason, Google now asks this prompts before you can connect to Google Drive. Basically, these are a set of permissions that you have to give to be able to get proper access. So here, click on connect to Google Drive and choose an account. I currently have one Google account logged in. That's what I will choose, and sign into Google Drive for desktop. I will click on continue, and then now Google Drive for desktop wants additional access to the Google account. So I would have to give that permission, continue, and it will eventually run this cell. So the mount has been successful. So in the next cell, we will execute this cell to change directory to under my drive AMOC folder, and then list all the folders that are inside that AMOC folder. So let's run that, and it shows modules is the only folder that is present inside the AMOC folder. We can verify that by going back to the AMOC folder, and we only see modules here. For some reason, you get some warning or error message when mounting Google Drive. Instead of content/drive, you can say content/G drive and try to mount it, and that is also mounted successfully. Now here as well, you have to do G drive and then run it again. Now the purpose of this video was to show you how to navigate and verify files and folders inside different folders in Google Drive. So let's create a cell here to be able to do that. And remember, in earlier change directory command, we only changed up to the AMOC folder, and we saw that inside AMOC folder there is another folder modules. So we can keep doing this command again and again and populate it further with the folder that we saw and run it again. And inside this modules folder, now we see there are 4 different modules, module 1 through module 4 for the course. And whatever module you are interested in, you can keep copying that with slash, paste that in there and run that again, and it will show you further down into that folder structure what files and folders are present. Now it shows you in the module 1 there are 2 folders, capstone folder and data folder, and then 5 Colab notebook, and you can verify that. Go into modules, module 1, and there you go, there are 2 folders and then 5 IPy notebooks. Let's go further into the data folder and see what data I have there. Sometimes you see errors when trying to access data folder, and this is easier way for you to see the data files actually exist there inside data folder or not. And when you run the cell, it clearly shows you there are multiple .csv files and also one Google Sheet files. So this is alternate way how you can navigate through different folders programmatically if sometimes you don't have access to the Google Drive graphical user interface, and get around the errors when files are not found. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.